Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Roblox error code 901. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So it's on Xbox, so you need to sign out and sign back in. So for that you need to enter into your Microsoft Store. Over there please sign out your Microsoft Store and then sign in using your credentials. So once you're done, after you need to enter into the Xbox application. So over the Xbox application you need to enter into your account. Over there please sign out and sign in again using your credentials. So this is a quick fix. Yeah, so our second step is to repair the Xbox application. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings you need to enter into the application and then installed apps. Please search for Xbox. Over the right corner you may see the three dot icon. Enter into the advanced option. Please scroll down, you may see repair and reset. So once you do that, please close it, and the third step is to repair the gaming services. For that you need to enter into the apps and then installed apps. For that please search gaming. So same, you need to enter into the three dot icon, advanced option. Please make it as never and then scroll down to repair it. So our fourth step is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. For that you need to press Windows R and then type wsreset.exe and then hit enter. So it automatically redirect you to the Microsoft Store to reset. Once it's done, please close it. And our fifth step is to install Windows Update. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings you need to enter into Windows Update and then click search, check for update. If in case it shows any error, please do check out my video, troubleshoot it. The title is Windows Update Error. So the sixth step is to reinstall Roblox. So for that you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings in the application you need to enter into the installed apps and then Roblox. If you are using Xbox Roblox, you need to enter into your Xbox and then uh, uninstall and then install it. So our last step is to restart your PC. I hope you enjoy the video and the issue will be solved. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe tech tube. Bye bye.